Hi everyone, how are you doing? I hope you're having a great day. So before we get started, I just want to say thank you to everyone. Last night we reached 6,000 subscribers. I am so thrilled. I've already been putting together a little celebratory giveaway. I actually ordered some things online today too, so once those get in, we will officially launch the 6,000 subscriber giveaway. I love to do giveaways every time we hit a milestone. Mostly it's a big thank you to you, my subscribers, for supporting me. I love you guys so much, so I'm so excited. And yeah, thank you. You guys really have made my day. I've been having some camera issues, so I'm hoping this is even recording right now, but anyways, let's get into today's video. We are going to be opening the July Empress Mimi subscription, and this is a lingerie subscription, so I'm very excited to see what we got. The piece last month was like so unique and cool, and I am really starting to love this subscription. So I do have a code. It should still be active. It's 30% off any of your orders, and I will put that down below. And this subscription is available on Cratejoy. It does ship from the UK, so you can see there's like a little custom form on the back. So yeah, it comes from the UK, super awesome. Plans start as low as $15 a month, so that is super great. I can't remember if there's a shipping charge. Let me look really quick. But it does ship worldwide from the United Kingdom, so yeah. Let's get started and see what is inside. Something smells like good in this bag, which is interesting. But last month came in a box, and this month it's in this awesome drawstring bag with these like gorgeous tassels, and it says Coral Goddess by Empress Mimi. This bag is so cute itself. Oh my god, I love it. There's tassels on both sides of the drawstring, if you can see. So cute. I'm really excited. Let's start with the card though before we get into it. And it always comes with this little sheet of paper that talks about returns and exchanges. So if something doesn't fit, you can exchange it, or if you don't like it, you can return it as well. So that we endeavor to make your returns and exchanges as easy as possible. You have 14 days from the date you receive your order to make a return or exchange. Your items must not have been worn and still have all tags attached to the original packaging. So yeah, super easy. You just fill out this form and then you have to know why you're returning it. So I love that they have that, and you have 2 weeks to do it, which is a good time frame, I'd say. So here's the card that comes inside. It says Coral Goddess. I love this. And then there's a note on the back, which I will read. It says, Dear Empress, the Coral Goddess box is here to take you from pool to pool party and all the way to the top. Read sunny rooftop bars and flamingo nights. This set is created to inspire the feeling of holidays and glamorous poolside style regardless where your day may take you. Wear it as a swimming suit or as a show-stopping bodysuit. The choice is yours. For centuries, coral has embellished the vitality and vibrancies of life's energies. Wear it to invigorate your senses and to rediscover the astonishing brightness of your beauty as friends, lovers, and passerbys can't help but stare at the shining beauty that is you. Pair it with a high-waisted trouser and sip away in a Aperol spritz, I don't know what that is, but it sounds like it's a yummy drink, under a straw hat for an effortlessly chic summer in the city look. The off-the-shoulder neckline is framed by statement ruffles, while the side lace-up detail accentuates your shape and adds a little extra oomph factor. So that's cool. I was just saying how I don't have any bathing suits that fit me, so I hope this one does. This is so cute. So here is the top, and I swear it smells good. It sounds like peppermint or something. But here is the top of it. So it's off the shoulder. It has like the ruffles, and then on the side here, you can see there's like this little tie up, like so you show a little bit of skin. This is so cute, and you can adjust it too. There's like this string right here, so you can adjust it to your liking. Oh my god, this is so cute. Like, I cannot wait. Let's see what size I got. I hope it's like a large. And I like this off the shoulder. I feel like that'll help with my shape. Okay, good. So I did get mine in the large. So this is made from 88% polyester and 12% elastane, and it says, this delicate handmade garment needs gentle care. Hand wash with cold water and mild soap, lay flat to dry, and wear with love. Lovingly created by Empress Mimi in London. I am so excited to get this. This would be cute as a bodysuit too. Like, I think this color is just to die for. Oh my god. Oh, I didn't even notice. You guys might have when I showed it earlier, but I didn't. There's like little starfish on the end of this string, like the adjustable string on the side. Oh my god, this is so cute. I am so happy that we got a suit. This is so amazing, and the color and everything about it. I'm so glad it's not like a bikini too. I feel like everyone, even if you're like a skinny girl that doesn't mind bikinis, or whoever, you would love this too. This is so awesome. I am so psyched about this, you guys. What a good day. Got a cute bathing suit, which I desperately need. Let's hope it fits. I'll let you guys know. I would try it on right now, but I just, TMI, but I just got my, like, you know, monthly visitor today. I don't really want to try a bathing suit on camera. So sorry to disappoint, but I will let you guys know. And oh, you know what I'll do? If it fits and everything, I'll wear it as like a bodysuit thing, or just wear it as a suit. You guys don't never see what I'm wearing below like my shoulders anyways. So yeah, I'll wear this soon and let you guys know. It should fit because there's an adjustable fit on the side. This is so awesome, and it's my size, large, so I am so happy with this. Yeah, 6K new bathing suit. Hopefully this film, like, since things are like good vibes, I'll be able to upload this video. I recorded one yesterday and was editing it today and trying to upload, and it's just not working. So I don't know what's going on. Is Mercury still in retrograde or something? I don't know. But anyways, thank you guys so much for being here. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you again for 6K. I love you guys so much. Bye.